हर सुबह आपके पास में दो चॉइस होती है, एक तो ये कि आप सोते रहो और सपने।
Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas, the Hindu editorial dictation. Heading is Slow on Safety. This article is related to road accident in Madhya Pradesh. बस क्रैश. यह आर्टिकल आपका 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स होगा. बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. India's Road Safety Month launched on January 18 as an extended form of the annual Road Safety Week for greater impact has concluded with a bus accident in Madhya Pradesh that has claimed 51 lives. The victims, including many young people reportedly traveling to Satna and Rewa to take a government recruitment examination, were trapped within the bus as it plunged into a swollen canal. One of many ghastly mishaps that have occurred after the COVID-19 lockdown. It lends grace to the view that the country with the world's worst record on road safety cannot get its act together anytime soon. India has, according to the just released World Bank commissioned report, traffic crash injuries and disabilities, 1% of the world's vehicles, but 11% of all road accident deaths. The Union Transport Ministry put the number of dead in 2019 at 1,51,113 and injured at 4,51,361. Those who suffer the most are from low income households, especially in rural areas, and women bear the long term financial and psychological impact of the losses more. Such a cringe-worthy performance affecting the fundamental right to life of the average citizen should have led to intensive measures and a determined companion to end the carnage, but the center and the states are evidently prepared to take only incremental steps. In the wake of this bus mishap, the immediate response has been to order a magisterial inquiry, which is no substitute for a technical investigation conducted by safety experts. Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has actively campaigned for road safety, and the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act of 2019 has provisions that aim to bring about change. But most states have been lukewarm towards hard steps to bring order to the roads, viewing zero tolerance rule enforcement through the lens of populism. This is reflected in the spate of accidents on India's highways, which witnessed 61% of deaths from just 5% of all accidents as per 2019 data. The center must now set a timeline to operationalize the National Road Safety Board for which draft rules were circulated in December last year to lay down engineering standards and complaints procedures that will help citizens hold states to account. Transport departments continue to take an indulgent view of rule violations. Political parties and other fix illegal flag poles and spears on car bonnets and metal contraptions to surveillance bumpers which are deadly in an accident. Even with high political will and there is no evidence this is present in all the states, ending the silent pandemic of accidents will need education, civil society cooperation and professional policing. Meeting the SDGs on transport and reduced road deaths and injuries will need action that go beyond Pio's declaration. फुल स्टॉप। ये आर्टिकल आपका 100 वर्ड पर वर्ड की स्पीड था। इस आर्टिकल को आप टाइप कीजिए और टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच कीजिए। अगर आप इसको डिक्टेशन को टाइप नहीं कर रहे तो आपका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है डिक्टेशन लिखने का। इसमें आपके काफ़ी न्यू वर्ड्स हैं। न्यू वर्ड्स की आपकी जैसे ये हो गया आपका सतना, एंड्रेवा, मध्य प्रदेश तो कॉमनली वर्ड है आपका। गेस्टली हो गया आपका, ट्रैप्ड हो गया, जो स्वोलन हो गया। ये आपके कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स हैं। इसमें सारे न्यू वर्ड्स नहीं हैं, कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स हैं आपके 2 या 3% है आपके न्यू वर्ड्स। जिस बच्चे को ये लगता है कि मैं न्यू वर्ड्स है उसकी आप अलग से एक आप डायरी बनाइए स्पेशल न्यूज़पेपर की, उसमें आप अलग से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। ओके। और वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगती है वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल के साथ इसको बार मतलब हर बच्चे को एक ना 10 बच्चों तक इसको शेयर करना ही करना है। ओके। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस।